Hi everybody, Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and look what I have. I have a new bead mix for you. There's only 6 available, okay? But I thought this color combination was the perfect bridge between winter and spring. I know we're all really wanting spring to pop up, but I feel like winter is hanging on a little bit. And so with this type of blue and these crisp whites, you can still have that it's kind of like a gap filler between winter and spring. And so depending on what other color that you pair it with, it can lean more winter or more spring. So let's just go ahead and look at these. And I'm telling you, there's like almost no room for movement in these. I packed them so full, and these are the big containers, you guys. So let's go ahead, zoom in, and see what we have. Are we seeing all the crystal? And these are good crystals, y'all. We're talking European crystals. We're talking Preciosa. We're talking, right? So here's the lid off. And we have tons of Czech glass, as you can see. So with my bead mixes, I like to make them premium. I don't add a lot of metals most of the time because I feel like that's kind of like your thing and that's your preference. And so I try to keep it to just beads, and with that means that it's like a premium mix, right? Because I don't really get to fill it with the less expensive things like metals. And so what started the whole inspiration for this mix was this beautiful knobby little lampwork bead, and each mix gets 4 of those. And I just like the little pop of white that you can see peeking through with the cobalt. And so we had those, right? And then I was like, I want to put another shape and texture in. And so we have 5 of these cobalt etched Czech drops. They're so pretty. I would put 5 in here. I was only going to do 4, and then I had exactly 1 left over for each one. And I put that in there just in case you wanted to make like a necklace or a necklace and earrings. And so let me know down in the comments what you prefer, evens or odds. I also got these glass. These are just plain glass beads, but the color on them was superb and perfect. And this looks to be an 8mm. And so every mix is the same, okay? We just have a couple of these gemstone beads in here. We have 4 of these little white crackly gemstone beads, and I had to actually take some of these out to make room for some of the crystal because, oh my goodness, I just couldn't help myself. We also have these Czech glass, cobalt, flowers, another little shape that we get. I love these fire polish. This is a 6mm, and we get a bunch of those, and it's like half crystal, like half white, and I thought those looked so clean, so pretty. It's just really giving me like spring cleaning, like breath of fresh air kind of vibe. So the next is a Czech rondelle. This is another fire polish bead, and they have like a luster on them, but it's like a pure white luster. There's like, it's not an AB. It's definitely this shine that they put over that white bead, and so it goes well with our color palette. And then we have our beautiful European crystal. So the rounds, we have light sapphire rounds, and there are 30 of those. And for the rounds are Preciosa. The bicones are another company that you could probably guess, right? And this is a Jet AB 2 times. And because of that, it really pulls purpley blue. And so it's really bringing out that cobalt kind of look to these. And so you get 20 of those. And so I tried to pack it as full as possible. So you have a lot to play with here, and because of the amount of crystal, so we have 50 European crystals in here, okay, and these are 4mm size. We have 50 crystals in here, you guys. So I did have to increase the price by $2. This is $14.99 for the mix, okay. which is an awesome deal. Like, look at all of the beads that you're getting. And so here is our bead mix, and let's just go ahead and jumble her up so you can kind of see. And I really thought, I had sapphire or light sapphire, and I really thought the light sapphire played well with these drops. It's like that same frosty color. And so here is our bead mix. I hope that you love her. Last time the bead mixes sold out within 24 hours. So if you're looking to buy them, we only have 6. You know, I'm just starting out with my business here, and so yeah, go take a look. Also, there's a big sale, not sale, like you're not going to see a sale on Space Wiggle Designs, but I have reduced my prices significantly just to clear out some inventory. So a lot of bracelets are $4.99, a lot of necklaces are $9.99, and there's a lot of really cool pieces in there. So take a look at that. If you add a couple pieces, that'll probably get you to your threshold for free shipping. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your new mix. If you decide to pick one up, let me know down in the comments what kind of bead mix you'd like to see next, and I will try to work on that as well. But look, you guys, so for this I use the big containers. These are bigger than what you would normally see for a seed bead container, and I really have to pack these carefully. I have to go from biggest beads to smallest beads, and I'll show you, because when I make these bead mixes, I really try to give you as many beads as possible in these mixes. And so that means I have to do the old shimmy shimmy. And so I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So my smaller beads are on top, and I have to lightly put the cap on, and I have to shimmy it down so that it levels out enough to where we can twist the cap on. And so here is your bead mix. I'll put a little label on the bottom, just what it is, and then you will get a free sticker with your purchase. All right, so here it is. There's so many things you can make with these. I hope you love your mix, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully tomorrow. See you soon. Bye.